Hmm, why does responsibility always come with consequences?
Great question. Now you are thinking like someone who really wants to grow. This is where the story gets interesting, because Amos spoke during a time when many people looked successful on the outside but ignored fairness and compassion. Let's slow down and look carefully. People were becoming comfortable while others around them were suffering and being treated unfairly. This might surprise you. The brain slowly becomes less sensitive to problems when selfish habits repeat for a long time. Most people miss this part. Amos was not only warning people about punishment, he was helping them recognize how unhealthy choices slowly damage both individuals and communities. Here is the deeper layer. Responsibility matters because repeated selfish or compassionate choices slowly shape the heart, thinking patterns, and emotional behavior.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. This is where the story begins to unfold in a deeper way. Amos describes people enjoying comfort while ignoring justice and kindness. 2. Now we start to see what was really happening beneath the surface. Repeated selfish behavior was slowly shaping the culture and emotional attitudes around them. 3. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Amos keeps reminding people that success without compassion creates deeper problems over time. 4. Here is where growth quietly begins. Honest reflection helps people recognize when comfort starts replacing empathy and responsibility. 5. This connects directly to real life. Many people today still become distracted by entertainment, money, or status while ignoring emotional and social problems around them. 6. This is the layer that shapes character over time. Repeated choices slowly train the brain toward compassion or selfishness.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. First, your brain truly changes when you repeat small actions. Repeated habits slowly strengthen emotional and behavioral pathways. Second, this is how habits slowly become automatic. The brain learns patterns through repetition and reward. Third, emotions grow stronger the more we rehearse them. Selfish thinking slowly weakens empathy and emotional awareness. Then, neural pathways begin firing faster and more efficiently. Compassion and thoughtful reflection slowly become easier through practice. Next, repeated reactions shape identity without us noticing. People slowly become more emotionally caring or more emotionally disconnected over time. Finally, what feels small today becomes powerful tomorrow. Tiny daily choices quietly reshape the brain, relationships, and future behavior.
How does this show up in real life?
1. Think about how this shows up in school or work. People sometimes ignore others when competition or success becomes the main focus. 2. Notice how emotions often react before logic. Pride and comfort can quickly make people overlook the struggles of others. 3. Watch what happens when stress repeats daily. Emotional exhaustion slowly reduces patience, empathy, and self-awareness. 4. Small habits quietly create bigger patterns. Repeated selfish choices slowly weaken trust and relationships. 5. Modern life makes this even more visible. Constant distractions and social pressure often train people to focus mostly on themselves.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, small steps almost always look unimpressive at the beginning. Kindness and empathy usually grow quietly. Second, repetition is what gives them strength. Daily compassionate choices slowly build emotional maturity. Third, steady practice builds quiet momentum. The brain slowly learns healthier and more caring emotional responses. Then, what once felt difficult becomes natural. Patience and compassion slowly become easier through practice. Lastly, consistency turns small faith into strong character. Just like tiny drops of water slowly help a dry field become healthy again.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Pause and notice what is actually happening inside you, especially during moments of selfishness or frustration. Step 2. Allow yourself to feel it without rushing. Emotional awareness helps the brain respond more wisely. Step 3. Choose one small action instead of waiting for a big feeling. Even one kind response matters. Step 4. Reflect gently instead of criticizing yourself. Growth usually develops slowly through repeated practice. Step 5. Repeat tomorrow. Because growth loves consistency, small compassionate habits slowly strengthen wisdom and emotional resilience.
What should we do today?
1. Choose something simple, not dramatic. Help or encourage one person today. 2. Start smaller than you think you need to, even one thoughtful action matters. 3. Observe your reactions carefully, notice when selfishness or pride tries to control your choices. 4. Adjust without quitting, emotional growth usually happens through repeated small decisions. 5. Come back tomorrow and build again, small faithful habits slowly create stronger compassion and wisdom. Remember, compassion and responsibility usually grow slowly through small repeated choices each day. God cares deeply about how people treat others because repeated habits slowly shape the brain, emotions, and character. Every small faithful and compassionate decision is helping your heart, thinking, and relationships grow stronger over time. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.